So this is Razia Sheikh. She's my best friend. It's been almost 1 month. We haven't seen the snow. So today we're going to a very cold place.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Razia Sheikh. Yeah. സത്യം പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 1.5 മാസമായി ഞാൻ ഇത് സ്നോ ഒക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ട്. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നപ്പോഴാണ് വിചാരിച്ച് പുറത്തു പോയി സ്നോ ഒക്കെ കാണാന്ന്. നടന്നിട്ടാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു, കിതയ്ക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ഈ വ്യൂ നോക്ക്, എന്ത് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആണ് നോക്ക്. ആൻഡ് ഇന്നത്തെ ദിവസം സൂര്യ വെളിച്ചം ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് ഭയങ്കര സണ്ണി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നല്ല ഭംഗി. എന്നിട്ടും ഡെപ്ത് നോക്ക് സ്നോവിന്റെ. Someone is exploring so much. Place and വയ്യാണ്ടായിരിക്കണു, ഇരിക്കാൻ സ്ഥലമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സ്നോ ഒക്കെ തട്ടിക്കളയാം. ഓക്കെ, സേ
the first time I'm exploring snow with you in the whole 3 years. We never went for like a trip or something like that. Like hard sudden plans was like in the morning I just called him after getting freshened. Like, come on, so I'm like, let's go for a trip.
Yeah.
Okay, done. And the best part is like our sudden plans are amazing.
True.
Every time, like memories.
Wait, let me ask you something. When did we do a sudden plan before? What was that? That's been the.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's been the. Then we went to a restaurant to have a dinner together.
Oh, Bernard. Bernard was sudden plan.
Yeah. So we used to enjoy a lot.
Oh, there's a wood house. I think these people doesn't like you talking. Whenever you talk, these people, there are so many dogs. Django, നീ അറിഞ്ഞോ ഞാൻ പെട്ടു.
onwards, Friday coffee is had by Razia Sheikh, and I'm gonna vlog. It's going to be fun, yeah. Pretty much good.
You know what? Get inside the court.
Are you listening to him? He knows the best ideas to capture photos, videos. Like, he's good. Bye. I need to
Inside the court.
some good pictures
Here,
there.
here.
Come on, yeah, I'm speaking something. You're just people just interrupt in between, and I just hate about it.
ആ ചേട്ടൻ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കോഫി ഓഫർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയിട്ടൊന്നും കോഫി കിട്ടിയില്ല. അങ്ങനെ ആ ചേട്ടൻ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കോഫി കൊണ്ടുതരാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. വെയിറ്റിംഗ് വാട്ട്? അതിമോഹമാണ് മോനെ ദിനേശ, അതിമോഹം. He told he'll give you coffee. Still you want chai.
Maggie, snacks, samosa, vada pav.
Why don't you order rice and sambar?
Yeah. You wanna talk to him? See? He wants to talk.
Oh, so sweet of you. This friend has brought us coffee.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome, George.
Thank you.
This place are living people who lost their houses. You know, Abkhazia.
Yeah.
It's Georgia, but unfortunately, some of our neighbors occupied it, and people lost their houses, their villages, their cities, and started living here from years ago.
Okay.
And still we are here. We're waiting for peace. We don't want war. We want to go back in our houses, in our home. But unfortunately, at this time, we still are here.
Oh yeah.
Summer is very good, because when, as I said, if in Tbilisi it's very hot, you can come here for 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes, and you will rest like in heaven.
So cold.